What's the meaning of Charterhouse School? Charterhouse School. Charterhouse School.
Charterhouse School. Charterhouse School. Charterhouse School is a prestigious independent school located in Surrey, England. It was founded in 1611 and has a rich history of academic excellence and sporting success. The school's motto is Deo Dante Dedi, which means I have given what God has given me. Charterhouse has a strong reputation for high academic standards and a wide range of extracurricular activities, including music, drama, and sport. Notable alumni include politicians, business leaders, and famous writers such as Peter Gabriel, Jeremy Hunt, and William Makepeace Thackeray.